Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kel'a. Welcome. If you are new here, hello, how you doing? How your mama and them doing? Subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell because today we are going to be dropping gems. Today we're going to talk about how $1,000, how $800, how $200 down to $150 an hour changed my life, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So let's get into this video. So I still get comments, even though I changed my name to what is it that I do? How do I make money? How do I make, $840 in 2 days or $75 to $225 an hour? How do I do this? I'm gonna tell y'all how, and I'm gonna tell y'all how in 2021 you can do the same exact thing. I am a notary. I'm a loan signing agent, okay? What I need from you is to become a notary. And what I told y'all was, once you become a notary and I get 1,000 subscribers, I am investing in you. So I need y'all to get on board. If you're not, listen, I understand. We in a pandemic still. I understand money is tight, but I don't want to hear no excuses. Y'all know I'm your accountability partner, okay? And I'm gonna hold you accountable. There is no reason why you cannot invest. You probably spend more money on crab legs, Patron, 1800. Is that the same thing? I have no clue because I'm not a drinker. But you probably spend more money, little do you know, on things that are so pointless when you could be investing in yourself and your family, right? So what I want from you is to realize that this process is not obviously an easy process, but it's not hard and it's not impossible. Let me tell you exactly how I did this, okay? So I became a notary, right? I took my test. I did all this online, y'all. I didn't have to leave. I didn't have to go take a test at a site. Nobody sat there and watched me. I did this all online. I became a notary online. I became a loan signing agent online. You can even, you could even take classes to teach you how to become a great loan signing agent online. So I'm just like, y'all, I don't want to hear y'all excuses. Period. I don't want to hear them. Like, I really don't. So I need you to become a notary first. And this is as direct and transparent as I could get, because people still ask me to this day, how do I become a loan signing agent? Listen, I'm telling y'all. And right now, before we get more into this video, I'm gonna please subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I'm dropping videos every 3 days for y'all. Every 3 days we are dropping gems. Every 3 days we're dropping videos. And I'm just trying to educate, especially my community, because obviously sometimes we think things are not attainable, and we can do it. Like, we can do it. We all can do it, but my black and brown people, we got this too. So don't ever feel like something you just cannot do it because of the skin, because where you come from, because how you talk, how you look. You can do it. So stop doubting yourself. But I need you to become a notary. I need you to go ahead and go on Google. Google is your best friend. Google, how do I become a notary in my state? I live in Ohio. For me, it was literally just the nna.org, okay? And I hit my state and it was all online. I studied, I took the test, I got my commission, all that. I literally studied for like 3 hours, took my test, waited on my commission number, got my stamp. Then after that, I literally did the same exact thing for my loan signing course. That took me about 5 hours to do because I wanted to make sure I knew what I was doing. I knew what I was talking about. And even after I did that, I didn't know what was going on. My mom had to teach me the game. And on top of that, I'm taking Mark Willis. Y'all, I ain't gonna mess his name up today. Mark Wills course. So that's been helpful too. Although, I learned from experience. And I don't want to make mistakes and nothing like that. But at the end of the day, I'm human. You use these signing agent platforms, and try not to intentionally make a mistake, but use those before you start going direct to make your little, newbie mistakes. Nothing wrong with it. I'm still learning myself. I'm telling y'all right now, I'm not out here making $12,000 a month. I'm not. So don't think that. I work part-time, and I do this part-time. I think I did 20 25, did 25 last month, in January. So I do this part-time. So, I'm just telling y'all, I'm putting y'all in position to make 6 figures, okay? So I need you to do that, right? And then once you become a notary, then you become a loan signing agent, but you need your notary commission number in order to go ahead and apply for that. Go ahead and pay for that loan signing course. So those 2 things combined probably cost me about $450 or so, okay? It did. But let me tell you something, because y'all know I'm always here, and that's why I tell y'all to stay, because I be dropping a little bit of gems. If you don't have the entire funds, and I am not affiliated with any of these people, or person, this one company, do it, use Quadpay. Quadpay allows you to break payments into 4 payments. So say, for example, your loan signing course is $189 or $190. You would split that $180 into 4 payments, but still get the course so you can get started. I'm telling you, I don't want to hear no excuses. No more excuses. Where the camera? No more excuses. Period. No more. So once you do that and you become certified loan signing agent, because you will, then you get on these platforms, right? So this is my advice to you, and how I've been able to make up to $1,000 in a day as a loan signing agent. You literally take the one. Listen, I know people might be on your ear like, you're not supposed to go out there for less than $125. Like, I learned my lesson. I used to say that all the time, like, I'm not going outside for less than $100. But then I realized, like, okay, that was coming slim to none. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't getting that out the door. I wasn't. With my direct title company that I work for, yeah, okay, obviously I'm not going out the door for less than $150. Got it, great. $125, got it, whatever. But when you're with these signing platforms, they take a fee. So say, for example, they are paying $250 for a notary. You're gonna get like $90 out of that. They get the rest. That is how it works, okay? So what I'm saying is, take it. If it's $90, take it. $75, take it. People will agree to disagree or disagree with me, and I don't care. What I'm telling you is, you need to get that experience. You need to get those signings underneath your belt, so that in the next couple of months you feel confident, you feel ready to go ahead and tackle these real estate, title, and escrow companies, and you're like, hey, what's up? I know all my shit. I know everything. I'm ready. Let's get it. I made my mistakes. They out the window. I ain't done it no more. Go for 2 months without making mistakes, and then go ahead and apply to these title companies and escrow companies. Like, that is my advice to you. Get 50 to 100 signings underneath your belt before you start applying to these title companies and these, because that is direct work. You don't want to jeopardize direct work, okay? You just don't, because you are getting that entire fee. So if the fee is $250, sis, you getting $250. So that's my advice to you. So that is how this is what I did. Made all my mistakes with these signing platforms. Like, oh, my bad. Oh, my bad. Like, people get on here and act like they ain't never made mistakes. You should not make mistakes as a title, loan signing agent, because you are like, I'm a whole human. And sometimes things get overlooked. I'm not a robot. People make mistakes. It is what it is. And then guess what? If they stop messing with you and you're on a signing platform, guess what? It's 1,000 other places that will mess with you. So I'm still a notary. I'm still getting work. I'm staying busy. I'm staying as busy as I want to be. So that's all I'm saying to you. Now, don't intentionally try to make no mistakes, obviously. But if you make a mistake 2, 3, 4, 5 using these signing platforms, oh, the hell well, it will be okay. Come here. You want a hug? It'll be fine. People just be so, I hate people that are so act like they never, you know how somebody at you, you start a job, right? And people act like when they training you, they never was in your position. I hate when people act like that. At the end of the day, I'm still human. I'm gonna make mistakes. And say, for example, you start working at a freaking gas station and this lady acting real stupid with you, it's 12. Girl, chill out. You was new before too. You had to get trained too. You had to learn too. And that's just a part of it. But don't go to these title companies and start making mistakes, because this is your money, okay? This is when you can do 5 signings and make $40K a year. Do 5 signings a week and make $40K a year. Do 7 to 10 signings a week and make $80K, $90K a year. So this is the money that you don't want to mess up. So this is how I did this and how I became, as busy as I want to be as a loan signing agent, and making $150 an hour, and making, the other day I made $250 an hour. Literally, I printed out 60 pages. That was it. It was 4 signatures. So it's like, there's money to be made out here, sis. I promise you. So I need you to do these things. It's not hard. You don't need no degree. You don't need nothing besides some money. And then I also have videos of what the supplies will cost, what you need to get. We talking Dollar Tree. We talking, you need a printer, but at the end of the day, you can go on Amazon and use Quadpay and get you a brother printer and break that mug up into 4 payments, which is $99. You can get a single tray. You ain't gotta get a dual tray, which is 2 trays. You can get you a single tray and get you some paper and all that, throw all that in your little cart and put it on Quadpay. Split that mug up into 4 payments, and you have a business. And then eventually, get you your LLC or get you a sole proprietor, whatever way you want to go. But I went the LLC route, and eventually get you a Dun & Bradstreet number and all these other things. So, was that helpful? I hope it was. So like I said, I'm going to be dropping videos every 3 days. I hope y'all, enjoyed this video and got the gems that I dropped, because there was a lot. And I'm going to be, like I said, dropping videos every 3 days. And I think that's it. So, I appreciate y'all for being here. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment below. Like I said, I appreciate all the comments. If you got some gems to drop them. Appreciate it.